Usiamaye mu nyina kwa ba na endra ye story bi efa Okatakyie Afrifa na omode abaga na sembe ye dwuma na emboa na omobo test na ekonya accident na accident no hu se na dede bi ehye Okatakyie na se apparently ye break ye no na formation na kasa nyamba ye se dade we na ehye asa na se we na cause accident no information eba later no chere say na eye car ana obia park e wo Okatakyie kwan ni mu ene nam so Okatakyie ne de kobom onim se Okatakyie wo ni break no enche twi ti say the break car break etia na se bicycle na motor break et no me no kase aposifo nsa ka abrantia na wotwi track na wonde wo Okatakyie kwan so ene obefa koja car ne si so enam so ma oman Ghana abokasa entisi Okatakyie Afrifa mensa kasa de afa na wachese sabrantie no e wasi jâil no e wasi obi ko jâil e wasa de no wasa ye de ne tu afiase ya ene se yes no ye be ma ne yes obi tse wa no tse ade kete we ya bantie ye ne ya ma ne yes se ai ya wasi jâil no doko de afiase ye dwumaden e ka ho na yes na ho de ma obi se chese o man no ye nwe o man no de ayenkwa yi bedin ko an ye dwen ho na wo man na bokase na wo de yenko hwe driver ni na wo yesa no ene asema Okatakyie Afrifa mensa ka kan wo se ebe ye kra o manya mfie duanan ko 40 years ko yenko nyina Ghana fo nyina obi a wonya 40 years bia yenko because mentality na da ya adwem no ano odin na enye emo man no
okuja to black constituency wona
yes
ana ede na asi wo ho
yo ene Ghana fo nyina nim sem enra na yenya ne ntia ne se ene train fufuro ya nei mo ka ho asema wonder se mu train no enya
ne nwa ase ye di wo ma sika ko to train se mra bebu amanfo no wonder se mu train and you see wonder making even the right statement oh and he's being honest because in the minds of the people Akufo the train MPP train and then as you train na heading
yo enra be promoto ye be tima edu entemu a train ya ye chemu se nche bia na nsen kra his excellency na nadu danko Akufo adoko kan ho asem state of the nation address se enche chamampaka dan railway line no o mewi e ma train ya sisi na echiremu a train ye test e wo so a de enam kwan so se paka etra ye new academy ewuremu ewo Northtown Old Academy pesem ho na ene Kia track free here registration number GS 9018-20 ene na echiremu se walodu blocks bi a wakoyi e bi agu ekro bi so a oba na ofese of fast train kwan so esoro o se ya under bridge bi oba mi nim de ba ye ntia driver no pese obefa ho a o ye se o cross railway line so top ene de echiremu a odu ho na ne tank no etwifa lines ni bi so a ema car no etimo wa entimi mfo tina okọ akọta amanfo abama matimi abeboa no mama yes ho nti coincidentally samrens na ne train aso anu a de free tama eko mpaka dan a ene etwifa track so ama make the track ne de ayam gbe ama ho traps na abe
railways na yaye no track ne so wo bo railways na tra
yes
ana ne tank kwifa meta na so
na yes ema etimiye
ana etimiye ana oja ayi no wo kwan ayi railways no kwan
oja wo so pepepe so okota
na kuro mumianton ayi opambo mumianton kuro ye na imi bayasa fi kwaso because the mindset of the people but you know who I want to say wa fa railway ni top
no ne in skomo a eyewitness for what crew but be asemi si potin ye fra ho abotia mo nim Old Academy ene Juapon Northtown no e chemu a ho na je asemi esi ya wanwa pa na ye chemu kra overhead wo ho anka betimi aba se obetimi abefa se nenso ye nim de esi ye nti a okofa sa top ho a ene amasa to ye nchemi esi enti asama esi ewo Northtown ene esudjaman empotema no wo afoye mentemu anei ho asem de Ghana fo nyina ka na dodo no so asem ne bae na akoye huhu aseye nokre asenye nokre na ebetimi aka si supi say asem ne de esia esiye e wo between Northton any esojama kru no edi e de abotia
na ayi train no ni state said you say na say pa on
train the driver side of in train your friend driver there and
you see coach you say why coach
and the side ho kakra and na mirrors ni bia wo won chemu na etimi asenamum and say to the sense that beyond repairs na mum baby kakra ho and na etipe na mum kia track ni die yamsi and die beyond repairs I make na ka say ateye fa na
abotia hono de ya ho so ka okuja trouble akwa yi no
not tongue
wa re ya na nkrofo ko redeem meanings into it said you see green wo kroma no even baby see you no will let people suspect say deliberate
and no na man for social media and WhatsApp platforms ahodo dia na say ayenchi jo ashubere dodo na say propaganda bi no say boafa yo hwe de asi ani mfoni kra train no etimi ede ba ya na say ne kia track ni sequence mu no ayen sem bebre nti say a police force aso asem mu a omugusu mu hwehwe mu
ye nya na ntia say kia track ni ye NDC chairman owo ho ne dia ye no kre
enemy alleged information ahodo a ye tete
wo die ye bi fa alleged ni nya hwe kokko hwe ne be ka kire me alleged ni ye dia sa na tia na ntesa
eno ne de yesu yetiti bia enti sa na makata police fo aso mu die eno ye he ni mu se ne de ona no eye o se ye MPP ni de o se ye NDC ni de and at the end no eni be hu de enti a one fa overhead na se na mum okofa so right na de ato ye nchem train ani boarding den eni wa se no a eni nsema ye hu
o manya mu kreni opambo ye da se te hwa
you
there is something fundamentally wrong with the minds of the people. And you see, even you see these things on our road too. Ubika say yeah, no sense of urgency. Wait me a pakeka next 3 days, and police forward, nobody cares because we don't even understand the implication of sakana says you know. The bet me hey accident see your roads so a majority of them are avoidable. And I know me drew dummy area over bina ye car say si what 3 days na me say twam akwa na wa ba wo ye car no wono na already the car say ya agye kwan no ono so asa be park ne car si another place asa agye kwan ni bi na ne guy bi ono asa de fan Hollantos no. The minds of the people. That is how come you want to you can say companies to truck companies all over America. Anyway, a sheer negligence. Somebody must go to jail for this. You must go to jail because I didn't see you several hundreds of people and only pabako or negligence and we don't even punish people for such things. And you see, we as a media dear chida near the Nipanako court. Court were jailing and court must jail you so bad that it would deter others. Because some negligence, it could have let the train in me every rail, it would derail, and the next minute the whole country politicians best sorry akwa kujina ko kambrofo. I am for best sorry every frantoma abe pacho e was adio ho. Jerry, was a train of a railway officials, no, and check is all is well. Oh no, but the assumption because the train too, and you say no more to the train and you check it. Unless it gets to baby barriers and ye railway lines, ye ni baby and ne quine issue. It was stations, yes. Baby a senior station. It was station. Somebody must jail. The side way driving, you know, else will go jail. He must go to jail. We sit in the country here. A free radical. I don't know why Dampare, upon all the work he is doing, this very thing that Nkrofoka say ya, or Mutimi Jesse Kwanswa, I think the time has come where we must be very serious with that thing. and na to no ho or the accident no be a parking car na nkurase sem bia ya from the days of Adam ni atwitwa nwura ni de nwura asisi car ne to nkurase chese na kwa ye nim ye da ne car na say na eso of free tow truck e ma ne beto free kwan ni mu immediately no de kopa ba bi si no wo kye na o ma ye ho adwuma no na wanya ho agye kwan no and sometimes your companies big companies and o dia o we dia you make us do me see na your big company bi wo kroma na dia big company na the company label bon na betimi asiwa 3 days 4 days 5 days na ya twetwa nwura na ya de nwura and this thing has killed many in this country sadia we akuni pa bebre yewia adwene ne wo fom ntino yese abaifo de ahoma besen kwan mu nti so the moment e beka sa abaifo de ahoma besen kwan na conversation ni nyina atu atwa na afese yakobo mpaye e ma abaifo yi ahoma ni free kwan so the very things that we are supposed to pay attention to and realize that it is detrimental to our progress as a people. We don't even do it. We don't care. We just don't care. Who could do South Africa? Yeah, traffic light to say they have been engineered. Say enipa miansabe ko ha no majina, and nobody is rational. And you go to South Africa, just South Africa. Enipa miansabe ko, and they are so disciplined. Say obiya be train se be do so. Yeah, hey. Na traffic light say you crowd here. Enipa bebre drive here, they don't even know that there be a more driving a way a speed lane. So say what drive here on your left, if a double lane on your left is a speed lane, we don't even care. Jerry, we don't care. Now what crowd was I you and say sorry free speed lane no I said did you attempt the mind of the people. The mind of the people, Ama. And somebody doesn't see. And you see, where the job of leadership. Leadership is supposed to continuously be reminding the people. Say, obey the speed lane when you phone now or tap on the phone. So as well, eti udinachia instead say ordinarily you're overtaking far right, you're overtaking far left. So technically, senkamo kwa. The one quantum na so about right now would me overtake in the speed lane now. Truck driver all load you know on speed lane. Road near double lane. Instead and we are so indisciplined. So all correcting the crown on one kasa. We do at him.
Be do at him.
All correcting no. You
see, baby Edwin, I think the yena yemfiase your mom pie say. Yem penny for nane akwenhye na beto hom. Eto hom dia they will set up. Nana,
railway so amon kwatem bi.
They will set up.
On kwatem bi. Well,
they will set up.
This very person, or yes, I do. The nation must jail the person, and it must be very deliberate. So, be jailino. You must because I do. It commits me several hundreds of people.
Baby, because now Crawford the car nim train now Crawford team train now Crawford team. Imagine say nana said Danny Butu ye. And now say fini kwani so ne si abonti.
Look at how much we've spent on this trainer. Obi negligent car fumbia na simu
no said your parking na
yes deliberate
no jaga ni see
Bonnie is underlining Yagre Bonnie is underlining and you see again no minim where we got
ade efe enye there be and say me no nya ma me ba ko ba papa ba ko ba nti ne obeye bia say ye kra ese me ka senye
me yusu road bi wo eye tantra road no sort ye be link to my 7 me teta ko bi wo me hwini sum
hwini sum so ye be
oh he no be si what do you dia over the years akwa ne da bia wo begina wo de anua na ofele no just every day the guy stands there
ofele
ana me hu say omo roadways for highways for be ye ekwan no omo be ye sa part wo na ogina for some funny reason omo be ye need 2 weeks ago me hu say hold to and you can tell this is somebody deliberately doing it na me twen so be ye sa de no na owie no abegino the way me sia hwini sum no and when you say offer a year achimota abis one wo be fro the ba achimoti overhead ne top one on say sa hono when you say that say ni na share the tutuo because it doesn't make sense
na
tutu obere ni am contract your contractors will from reliable source your contractors will come her wo mo hye da ma mranche ma ba wa call round tutu kwam
Nesas, yeah. Abaya say o my scan kwa ne fofo. O nana menyi wachi.
The metals here egu ofanko ima 7 ofanko ache. Metal na yesi emo accident o ban.
Yes scraps.
Etimi yi na ba kwa yi na edakwa. St John Sudie edemu 3 years na atwe eno driver for dru a enso mu yi skills bi nya se be wani.
So and
we sat in this country for more than 3 to 4 years. Na metal na twen na oh my way oh
nana ye hu ye
it does some de be mama for 3 weeks
na dey
oh omo be ko je obeko omo esi ekum beku because yes because I think at some point no but mama sometimes we hear the behavior of the people that's the only solution ebia ya di 14 years ni ba nyina esi etimi kunya nyina na afa ye man krofofofro betete nkola no because adwene ne nye and ye dis adwene kro no etete nkola no said that I need to make a packet a anya ne say baby esi
David
this one you must jail the person let the media capture that the time has come for us to crack a whip on that nonsense and police for Bekwaba police for do on human so what you 2 city 3 city free for they don't even know it is their job to secure the safety of the people they don't know. Police for crackers on by AMA ni one task force for no so no mbeko. Cause almost open what could did.
So
so we've created a system that
yes.
We are crazy. We
yes when nana.
It's very kwemu. Look at it. More social media, more TV no. Look at it. Wait, me sure say camera na wo way train mu ni twa sa shorty.
Like seriously.
The camera in the train is what took that shot. Look at this. Look at it. You look at it. Does this make sense?
And when you be answer some push it.
No, but in the first place, which logical human must be able to even think of say me try
so. What the car no dabio me be so na no osi odu ha obe peja swadi atwam ana say no ye ne
as a country we must come together and say we need a dictator who does not care about samudede na muye no radio so na yina you see
seriously
we akauche na in the public well no momfamo yi sa civil right ni human right ni semfunu ni nkonko tu baby
na lawyer na kasa
lawyer na ye de bayi
nyabotre
civil right ni civil right be na chain nipa na nko beku omo no le wo mo na nko mu nyina ye say tansam me mo nto aba ma me da because me be a dictator in my mind semfunu say yan so so da kuro mu wona
blocks
asem na aka no opanyi bi pa organ was your money din na o se me kan jo say anopai asem na wo kana no we hye na odika na o se me kan jo say empo udru kotoka na se plane ebetu a say your technical team ho mo surveillance say bibia da din ana technical team on baby bibia say de no etisen e na obi say we a wo mo ko test drive no wo mu duru ho no na se technical team no dem pa na wo ye one obi say on the test drive
wonder you see the very moment we shift the conversation from the negligence of whoever is supposed to be responsible to technical team niama nsemfunu no akoso so okay yes there's supposed to be a technical team that does it but logical human being ben so na obey behavior said akwa you must go to jail
ya kwan ya railway
like say there SC say empo ye di biba bio ni e kasa officially ya pa no obi abetimi afa akọ ba bia enkrofo be fro ana pe the SC say obi said that question say the SC
I don't know what is wrong
ebe man krofo afumpo ni ana
and you see wonder say UK for here omoka and democracy and civil right they don't believe in democracy they are only the democracy they practice in UK, the democracy they practice in US, and you be near practicing. And you correct.
Just on paper.
And paper. What do you mean? US now for only.